No politician can change our country. No politician can solve the problem of the Philippines if they cannot change our culture. But if our culture is rich, we will be the great nation. Right? Sa abroad, Filipinos are very, very respected because we have intelligence, we have heart, we care. But the only things that putting us down is our politicians. Right? I'm so happy now that, well, we have a good president. For me, because he has this hand, this iron heart to change us. Like Bacolod, as I see it now, I went away for 45 years. Pagkagto ko di Bacolod never changed. Be very, very, very serious in your art. If you want to be an artist, work not less than 8 hours a day. Make it as your profession. Just like going to the office. But if you're really an artist, you start working 8 in the morning. Sometimes, oh my God, it's 8 in the evening already. I was a teacher and I will be a teacher forever. To enhance your talent. I'll never touch you. I'll never tell you that your idea is wrong. Hindi pwede yan, hindi pwede gano'n. I can only teach you, refine you with beauty, but yung mind mo dito. And as an artist, here and here. Believe in your work. That was my experience before when I was young, just like you. Eh, alam mo na yan. Saan ang dating ko? I only realized it just a few years. Oh my God, I wasted my time. Because I think I know. But in art, there's no limit. Wala. Not like accounting, engineering, science. That's exact science. In art, wala. There's nothing sala yan, mali yan. Walang mali sa art. No? Except, you have to refine your art. That's why may kurso na fine arts. Because everybody, lahat, has an art in itself. We have art in our art to create. But without refinement, you will never make it. Even before, lain to be an artist. I have a good experience in China. When I went there, nagsulog ka na yan, then suddenly, ang akong ngalan was called, Paderna, come to office. Then when I went to the office, there were 2 guards waiting for me. God, my heart started to come. As you know, China is a communist country. You don't know anything. When I was there, in front of the officer, with all the uniform, you no sign. Your passport, no sign. Oh, sorry. He was looking at my passport, and then he said, so, profession, artist. Oh, you're an artist. Oh, sit down. Picture totally cheap. So, as an artist, hindi ka mo magkahuyang. Don't be ashamed